Let's take a ride down the boulevard and check on some construction and some demolition progress at a few locations that we've visited before. So firstly, let's take a look at what's left of the Victory Hotel. Right now it is just an empty lot. No indication of what's to come, but if we look back to what was there, previous video in the description down below, I'll put a link there. This was a small mom and pop hotel originally. Now it is gone, and we'll see what's going to replace it in the near future. Going down the road a few more miles, we come across this new commercial structure that's being built. This was the location of the Carousel Motel and the Cabana Inn Motel. Two different motels resided here. Now it is new construction. You can see there's a lot of steel up. A lot of the elevator shafts are done. Here's some footage from what was here. Like I said, the Carousel and the Cabana Inn, these were abandoned for a few years prior to being demolished. I'll put a link to these videos down below in the description as well. Moving down the road a little bit, another few miles, there was this affordable motel, affordable vacation. I don't remember the name of it. Let's look back at the video where I actually walked through it when it was empty prior to demolition. You can see that it's a series of small buildings was the layout of the motel. Now it is completely empty. As you can see, all that's left is the sad little pelican in the pool. No signage or indication of what's to come next to this property, but I'll be revisiting it and update everybody on it. That's about it for these three specific properties. There is a lot more being built and demolished along the boulevard, so I'll update you on that later. Until next time, take it easy.